Hello kids, today I will teach you one science experiment. This experiment is about refraction of light. For this experiment, we need a glass, a marker or a sketch pen or pencil, a small piece of paper and some water. So let's start. First, we will fill this glass with water. Now I will draw an arrow on this piece of paper. Can you all see this arrow? This arrow is pointing towards right direction. Okay children, look carefully. This arrow is pointing towards right direction. Now I will place this paper behind the glass. This arrow is pointing towards left direction. No, it's pointing towards right direction. No, it's pointing towards left direction. Right, left, right, left. What is happening? Is it a magic? Am I doing cheating? I have only one paper and just a glass of water pointing towards right. When I am placing it behind the water glass, it's pointing towards left. It's science, not magic. Light travels in a straight line. When I am holding the paper, light is traveling straight and we can see that arrow is pointing towards right side. But when I am holding the paper behind the glass, the light is traveling through this glass and water. So the light is not traveling in a straight line. Because of this, it's getting bent. When light is getting bent, it's causing this image to reverse. Instead of pointing towards right, we can see that arrow is pointing towards left. This is called refraction of light. This glass filled with water causing the bending of light, and this phenomena is known as refraction of light. It's not magic, it's science. Science is everywhere around us. We have to understand it. Do try this at home and don't tell it a magic. Explain it with science. Bye children.